Not yet. She's coming back in 3 days pa. When she's back po. Pack your bag na. Yeah, they went together. That's why. They're dying. Tito Parts took things from there and transferred it here.
Why?
Because those ones will spread out. This one, look. This one, the grass around will spread and cover that thing. And then this one will spread out to cover all the soil. They're like hair, you know. When I cut your hair, they grow slowly and cover your head again. Do you understand?
It's going to be bigger.
Yes, like this. It's big. You have to cut it. You're very smart. I don't see you carrying your books though.
Why should I carry them?
Can I ask you something? What did you learn so far in school? Did you learn how to be nice to people? What did you like best about school? Best, your favorite part?
Making friends.
Making friends? Very nice. What's the name of your friends again? I forgot. There are many. Number 1 is Nathan.
Number 2 is Gideon.
Gideon. Atam. And a girl.
Arendelle.
Arendelle. Right. They know your name too? They know your name as well?
Tara.
Tara, a new one?
Yeah.
I just heard about Tara. We have to get ready. We're traveling on Friday. You're excited?
Travel away.
Secret, it's a surprise.
Mountain.
Why, you don't like mountain?
Oh, yeah.
What do you like then?
I like,
You like what?
Mom Jensen's house.
Ah, too many dogs.
But I love Mommy Margaret.
I know you do. We'll go there next time when Mommy Shinshin is around. You look very smart. Do you love your shoes? It's Superman shoes.
No?
What's the name of your Lola?
Mommy D.
Why is it letter D? Dina.
Dina.
Do you know why she's a Lola? Do you know?
Yeah.
Why? Why is she your Lola?
Because we learn.
We learn. She is my who?
Cousin.
Lola is who?
Your cousin.
My cousin. She's my mother. Really? She's my mother.
Yeah.
But my father passed away long time ago. Your Lolo. You call Lolo for grandfather.
Yeah.
So tell me, you had fun in school. What happened?
I shouted.
No, that's not nice. Why did you have to shout?
No. I didn't shout at school.
Mm.
All I did is draw my name, then that's done.
Mm.
Then count number, then we uwi na.
Count number, then uwi na.
Opo.
So what did you say that you had fun? Ano yung nagustuhan mo that is fun?
Making friends.
All the time. How about yung snack mo? Masarap?
Opo.
Ano yung snack mo today?
Itlog.
Itlog?
Yeah.
Hindi dapat itlog yun. Hindi totoo na itlog ang ipak sa'yo. Oy, cookies ata. Cookies ba?
Eggnog.
Eggnog. That's itlog. Itlog but in cookies form, right? What's your favorite snack for school?
Butiki.
Come here. Who eats butiki in school? Morning guys, we are going to Mami Shina's boutique. Time check alas 10:40 at ako'y pupunta siguro ngayon ng sikasuhin ko ang aking voter certificate kasi kailangan ko yun. Marami kasi kaming mga social government services na makaka-avail ka lang kapag meron kang voter certificate. Kasi ibig sabihin nun, may kwenta ka, bumuboto ka para sa Pilipinas. Pero anyway, I'm glad kasi never talaga ako nagkaroon ng voter certificate, guys. This is the very first time. And I processed this one 3 months back. Actually, already 4 months. I have to really pick it up. So,
Well, look how big this hotel is.
nice. City Park. So, ako ipupunta muna sa tindahan ng aking ate. Nandun si Miss Giselle. Nagla-live selling siya doon. Dadaan lang ako to check it out. And then, Calby is already here. Pipick upin si Chico. And then, I have to do my personal business. Oh, nakalimutan natin dumaan sa FedEx. I have to go back.
Go back where?
FedEx.
Why?
I forgot to send my item.
Tell about paying about the running.
Ina, may nawawala dito, oh. Pinulot namin sa labas. Ang cute. Maniniwala na sana ako nagutom siya, pero parang mukhang busog man, oh. Ang face niya, oh. Busog ng pagmamahal. Hanapin mo yung tsinelas mo, otherwise baka sabihin nila homeless ta. Homeless. Mag-hi ka muna kay Ma'am Sheena kasi...
Hi Ma'am Sheen, andito kami ngayon sa shop mo and magbibenta kami dito.
Do you miss her?
Yes, I miss you.
Sip-sip ko.
Salubong ha. Salubong. Pwede free na lang to.
Ayan o, Ma'am Sheena, hi! We love you! Ay,
free?
alam ko nanonood na yan siya eh. Free mo daw to? Bigay mo daw yan sa kanya? Tapos naman ang birthday niya. Nagbigay ka na nga ng regalo. Maabuso to eh. Maabuso sa kabaitan eh. Alright guys, andito kami ngayon sa tindahan ni Ma'am Sheena, Bangkok Wardrobe. Dito kami nag-live today kasi alam nyo naman, kailangan nating magtulungan for the future ng ekonomiya ng Pareño family. Yeah? So, ayan, at medyo na-busy kami dahil ang dami naming customers ng t-shirt natin na high quality, glow in the dark. Sample, asan na yung mga sample natin? Yung mga glow in the dark na t-shirts namin guys, na unisex, sobrang cute at sobrang high quality yung printing. This is from Bangkok, Thailand. So nag-live kami saglit, but right now it's already 12 noon and it's time for us to eat lunch kasi sabi ni nanay na matandang naghihilot, pag hindi kumain sa oras, yan ang reason bakit nababaliw ang tao. Kasi yung hangin daw, yun yung process ng tiyan natin instead na pagkain. Aakyat yan sa utak at magiging buang ka. So, hindi ko alam, mag-comment na lang kayo sa baba, pero naniniwala naman ako kay nanay, kaya kakain po ako. 12:00 na, so mag-break muna kami ni Miss Giselle. Tara, hanap tayong pagkain sa baba. Samahan nyo kami, let's go! Ayan guys, may nakita kami ni Miss Giselle dito. Bagong bukas to, no? Anong sabi? Once you go crunch, you'll crave for more bunch. Anong pangalan nitong tindahan na to? Yan natin guys. The Crunch! Tara, pasok tayo sa loob. Ay, gaga. Sabi lang ko nun. Dito na lang tayo. Ay, dyan o. Maulan na hapon guys. Time check, 3:00 na. At si Miss Giselle ay nag-a-arrange ng aming sleepwear. Kasi kakatapos niya lang mag-live. And minsan nakakasawa yung the same lang na arrangement. Diba no? Ay, ang ganda ng mannequin. Lahat nakapantulog. Pajama party kami tonight. Ayan, nag-ibibihis si Miss Giselle ng mga pantulog natin dito. Eh, nagdala ako ng merienda namin from Goldilocks. Hopya! Ang sarap sana magkape. Kaso wala kaming mainit na water. Ay, water. Nahulog. Sorry. Tikman nga natin tong hopya ng Goldilocks. Hindi to sponsor Baka sabihin ninyo, binayaran ako ng Goldilocks ng 1 year supply ng hopya. 1 year supply. Hopya. Titikman natin tong hopya munggo. Pero katabi kasi nito kanina, ibang flavor eh. Tingnan natin. Stress eating episode. Nahulog yung aking fire alarm guys. Hindi ko alam anong gagawin. Pag dinikit namin siya sa taas, mag-iingay siya. Amoy munggo. Ako lang yung kumakain. Hindi kumakain yung mga stuff. Uy, ang beauty products na kailangan natin i-post. Morning! Someone's looking very smart. Are you okay with your costume, Super Mario, for Halloween? What do you want?
Bowser.
There's no Bowser. Only Luigi and Mario. Are you okay with that? Then Mayumi will be the princess.
Then for me will be Bowser.
Bowser is not there. I told you already. Bowser is not there. Can you change? How about vampire? Easier. Vampire? With the fake teeth?
Paw Patrol.
You want to become Paw Patrol as a Halloween costume. Which one?
Chase.
Chase. Okay, later you will choose. Well, what's the costume for Chase anyway? Like a mask? Like a Chase mask?
No. You remember, Mom, those kind of videos about Chase put on?
I don't know. Let's check later in Shopee.
It has a face. Then my eyes then the remove the white and black eyes. Then
it will
my
be your eyes. Oh, okay.
Then will be so we can pretend that Chase's eyes is my eye.
Okay.
Is Chase's eye. Then there's a hole for my hands to be there, both of them. Then there's a hole down so I can put my legs.
Alright, okay. I'm gonna check it again and we'll see, okay? Then Chico will become who?
Rubble.
Okay. Alright then. If that's what you like. I'll check first if they have it in Shopee, yeah?
Okay.
I thought you wanted to become a vampire and bite people's neck and take their blood.
But
No?
Mom, you said no scary.
Oh, no scary stuff. Okay. You like your hat? Show me. It's Chase.
He means Chase.
Ay, sorry. It's Rocky pala. Rocky pala yan. Eh? Is it properly? Where's your seatbelt? Let's put on our seatbelt. Seatbelt mo. Suotin mo yung seatbelt mo, anak. Seatbelt mo. Ikaw na maglagay, oh. Yan. The other side. That one. Good morning! Good morning, guys! Maayong buntag. Happy Tuesday! Shout out sa aming mga glow-in-the-dark, 100% cotton, high quality, oversized Bangkok, Thailand t-shirt. I am wearing one. If you need one, if you want one, please PM us in this page. Ang ingay ng mga staff ko, guys. Sorry. Kasi inventory day namin today and every month nag-i-inventory talaga kami to make sure that everything is on point. Kasi baka mamaya ay hindi pala na-i-record yung mga sales, doon nawawala yung mga stocks. So that is how we look right now. Inventory per item, per design, and per code. Ayun. So it's gonna take us like 30 minutes para mag-inventory. And then, today is gonna be a busy day for me, guys. Merong client na nag-PM sa akin and she wants a wholesale bulk purchase. So, I'm gonna talk to her privately na lang kasi it's better to do face-to-face video. I always tell you guys para maiwas yung scam. After that, I have to meet Calby for a date. I have to go to a bank. And,
1,590.
so, yeah. I'll see you guys on today's episode. Hey guys! Tapos na tayo magtrabaho ng konti at ako'y nag-breakfast na. Bumili nga pala ako ng paksiw ngayon. Ayan, paksiw. Ito na lang yung natira, guys. So, isda sa bato daw pala to kaya medyo kamahalan. 50 pesos yung isa. Sana all. Pero anyway, minsan masarap din na mag-isda lang muna kaysa karne ng karne. Pero ngayon ay alas 9:40 na ng umaga, Tuesday episode natin. At maaga pa akong naging busy dahil merong nag-message na siya ay mamamakyaw ng aking paninda. Kaya kami ni Miss Giselle talaga ay talagang busy-bisihan ngayong Martes. Ayan nga, at amin nang ipa-finalize ang kanyang binili. So, normally guys, yung benta namin talaga ay retail. Pero ngayong araw, mayroong nag-wholesale. Kaya ibibigay pa rin natin, syempre, sa pinaka-the best na prices na kaya nating ibigay. Kasi I understand how it feels to start a business. And I understand how it feels na bibili ka sa isang buyer para ibibenta mo din. So, wag tayo masyadong kahaman sa profit. Ang importante ay nagmo-move yung ating stocks at talagang makakapag-refresh tayo ng bago nating stocks at hindi natutulog yung ating mga cha-ching. Ayun. And of course, today, kailangan ko maging productive. Si Calby maaga pang nag-request sa akin na kami ay mag-date. So, samahan nyo ako, kami magde-date. Pero actually, this is just not a usual date. Kasi this is gonna be a get one book each date. So, bibili daw siya ng aklat, isa. At isa daw sa kapatid niya, syempre. And, ako po ay konsentidor na nanay pagdating sa libro. Dahil, one book means my peaceful time and my sanity time. Kasi nabibisi talaga yung mga anak ko. Normally, kapag si Calby ay nag-aantay ng oras na papasok siya sa school, ay talagang wala siya masyadong ginagawa. Pero pag meron siyang workbook or activity book, at least busy-busyhan yung lolo ninyo. So, ayan si Miss Joselle at busy na siya sa kanyang pag-prepare sa mga orders. Kami magpa-finalize aming tutupiin at ipapak na namin isa-isa yan para ma-finalize na natin ang prices each item. And of course, ang ganda ng mga pantulog namin guys, oh. Kita nyo naman. Ano pa ba? Ay, recently merong nag-comment. Sabi nga nila, about dun sa situation ni, Dr. Willie, right? Dr. Willie Ong, na mayroong mga battle debate about that na isa daw sa reason na nagkasakit siya ay dahil sa stress. Pero may doktor naman na nagsabi na hindi daw ma-equate yung stress sa cancer. So yung cancer is sometimes nangyayari pagka nasa genes ninyo or minsan nagkaka-cancer ka na hindi mo alam kung bakit ka nagkaka-cancer. God knows and hindi natin control yon. Pero may nagsabi na na-stress daw talaga si Dr. Willie dahil nga doon sa kanyang mga recent na pagtakbo or pagpasok sa politika. Ano nga ulit yung topic ko? Nakalimutan ko. So may nagsabi sa akin na ay, bakit ko nga ba nakwento yun? Ay, eto, may nag-comment pala na dahil hindi nga daw nilalabas ni Dr. Willie o yung kanyang mga hinanakit, kaya daw parang napuno sa katawan niya, parang gano'n na. And then, may nagsabi sa akin, ikaw kasi na-handle mo yung mga bashers mo, mga haters mo, at yung stress mo kasi you talk about it. Actually, that's another way. Wala namang sapilitan na pag-usapan yung stress ng isang tao, wala namang sapilitan din na ikimkim mo. So, for me, I find it a relief na sometimes I talk about it, I joke about it, I tell it to my family or even you guys. And kaya sometimes talagang minimension ko yung mga comment na natatawa ako or yung mga comment na medyo nagkakapagbigay sa akin ng galit. So recently may nag-comment nga doon sa akin video na hindi ko daw pinapakain si Parts, yung aking driver. So you guys, I want to give you an idea of bakit ayaw ni Parts mapakita sa camera. Bago pa lang siya nag-start magtrabaho sa akin, na-mention ko na sa inyo na nagtanong na ako sa kanya if he's comfortable to be seen in my camera kapag nagva-vlog ako kasi he is aware na I'm a vlogger. And he told me straight and direct na he's not comfortable and I do respect that. May mga time na nakakalimutan ko and I apologize. Sometimes pakonti-konti here and there pero talagang 95% hindi talaga. And Parts is a big part of my life. We've been friends since I was 11. Since we were 11, to be honest with you guys, and we have an amazing relationship together with some of our other friends. I trust him with everything. Most of my staff, actually, I trust them with everything. I don't really see my staff betraying me, to be honest. I don't think that about them. But I trust him with everything, most especially sa trabaho niya na pagmamaneho sa akin and for my family, most especially sa mga anak ko. So for me, I really take time in hiring people, especially those people na merong direct contact sa mga anak ko. Yun yung pinaka-importante sa akin. And Parts, for me, he gives me a lot of peace of mind, knowing na I know that he drives and takes care of the vehicle. He takes care of the passengers. He takes care and watches over my children kapag nasa loob sila ng kotse hanggang makauwi sila sa bahay or pumupunta sila ng school. So I have that greatest peace of mind. I have that greatest satisfaction knowing that my children are in safe hands. I cannot work with someone na lagaslaw at burara sa trabaho. To be honest with you guys, I cannot. I don't see the sense of hiring someone who's giving me stress. I cannot see the sense of paying someone their salary to help me fulfill my duty when they are doing or adding up to my duties. Okay? So, pag hinire kita and you're not doing your job well, hinire kita and you are adding stress to my life, I believe 1 week or 2, you are already fired. That's how I get people to work with me. Okay? So, I would say that I'm very easy to work with kasi I am direct. I say what I don't want. I say what I don't like. I say what I like. And I try to compensate my staff the best way possible. Yung fair for me and fair for them. And I don't really count too much sa mga staff ko kasi for me they do amazing things and they are always worth it. Alam nyo, sa 10 taon guys na nagtrabaho ako sa abroad, I always hear these words from the employer, lalong-lalo na pag malalaking business na. Sinasabi nila, you guys are the reason why the business is here. You guys are our investment. Without you, we are nothing. Pero you know what? We are not even fed. We are not even compensated. We are not even paid properly. Yet we are overworked. This is abroad ha. I'm not sure about other people in another country. Pero this for me is my experience. Yung parang, how can you at least budget this salary? Oh, it's okay if you are doing your responsibilities or your, yung at least makita mo man lang na compensated ka. Pero sa abroad kasi mahirap eh. Sobrang hirap ng buhay sa abroad. And sometimes yung mga Pinoy kasi abroad, we are really overused, to be honest with you guys. And sometimes we don't realize that, pero it's actually true na the business will fall without you and your staff, especially if your staff are really working their best, trying to do their best every single day to make sure that the business keeps standing. Alright? So, it's not easy to find people na talagang mapagkakatiwalaan mo. So, dun sa nag-comment na hindi ko pinapakain yung staff ko at hindi ko pinapakain si Parts. Actually, nag-comment si Parts doon eh, kasi pinost ko yon sa Facebook ko. And nag-comment siya na from the time na nag-start siya hanggang ngayon, he gained a total of 10 kilograms. 10 kilogram lang naman, guys. And that is because I don't really care. Ang importante pagkain-kain. Pag time ng kain, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, kain talaga.
Dati 65.
O si Miss Giselle tumawa habang nagsasalita ako. 65 kilograms lang daw siya. Ilan ka na ba ngayon? Ha? Oh my God, you have to stop. You have to look at your diet na. 70 plus na si Miss Giselle. Kasi kami, nag-enjoy talaga kaming kumain. And if I can have like 5 meals with snacks in one day, of course, kasi kailangan talaga natin busog eh. Yung galit kasi ng tao, guys, katulad ng sa akin, yung galit ko minsan nanggagaling sa tiyan ko. Dahil nga, gutom. Alam niyo yun, may gusto kang kainin pero hindi mo makain. So, yeah, once again, blessings are meant to be shared. You're not supposed to keep them. So, if you are blessed, share them with others. And, I think the last reason bakit aalis sa akin, the least reason, possible reason, or hindi siya magiging rason kung bakit aalis yung staff ko, never magiging rason yung pagkain. Never. I guarantee myself, I guarantee others, I guarantee you guys with that. Kasi, kahit mga kapatid ko, alam na kami ay hindi talaga madamot sa pagkain kasi we grew with nothing eh, almost nothing. We grew up na isa lang yung pagkain namin for 3 days. We grew up na talagang pati tutong, walang natira. We grew up na talagang lumulunok ka lang ng laway pag nakatingin ka sa iba na kumakain ng mga gusto mong kainin. We grew up like that. So, everything right now is being appreciated. So, anyway, we are going to continue our work, guys, kasi medyo mataas pa yung araw natin today. And I'll see you on today's episode. Alright, may kumatok dito, guys. Birthday daw. Siyempre, pag birthday, dapat makikain tayo kahit wala tayong dala. Naghanda daw sila ng birthday. Tara, let's go, guys. May birthday tayo. mga kasamahan tayo dito mga nagdenegosyo, talaga nasa-celebrate ng birthday. Ikaw negosyante ka, anong mo, dapat handa na hindi mawawala. Pansit. Pag sabi ni Madam Ten Gibbs, dapat laging may pansit. Kasi panghabang buhay, ako sa'yo'y maghihintay. Tara guys, makikain yung pansit. Yan guys, meron tayong sotanghon and chiffon cake. Of course, meron tayong Coke, pero hindi po yan sponsored ng Coca-Cola. Ayan. Wow! Salamat po! Dili pwede dapat mag-celebrate yun. Happy birthday! Kantahan ako dato, oy! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Louder a bit.
Hi guys, we're buying a book.
Are you excited? Where are we right now? We're at KCC. How many books are we getting?
2.
One for who?
One for Chico is special, one for me.
Alright, let's go. Focus on the book you're going to pick. You know where to go? Alright. Now, let me see how many books you have. Wow, so many. Let's go in that counter and pay na. Ang dami mo man nakuha libro. Pe? So many, like 6. Give them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pwede ba PWD ID? Maka-discount ba?
Mama, you already have this one, right?
Yes. Yes. Now you have kasoy and bayabas. Now we have to pay.
May KCC card.
Keep trying. Rumble still. When I will feel scared. Oh no, Mom, it's real.
It's okay.
How the leopard.
Before the leopard has no spots, you see? Then last one. So you have all the 3 of them now. Wow, congratulations. Thank you. I can't believe this, guys. Almost 6,000 pesos. I was checking this 60 karat aquarel Stedler pala. Bibigay ko sana kay Ate Ashley pero parang mauubos yung allowance namin ngayong buwan. 6,000 para sa lapis na to. Hanap tayo ng medyo affordable. Guys, at nakabalik na rin ako. Ang saya-saya ng aming date ni Calvi. Sobrang saya niya at may bago siyang books. And pagkasundo namin kay Chico ay napaka-surprise din ni Chico. Pinaano siya guys. Sabi ni Calvi sa kanya, Chico, look, we have alamat ng kasoy and alamat ng bayabas. Sabi ni Chico, wow! Grabe yung mga anak ko guys. Parang mga scripted pero ganun talaga yan sila mag-react. So, ang saya-saya na naman ang aking puso dahil natuwa yung aking mga anak sa mga aklat nilang bago. And now I'm back here at Mayumi Thailand Closet. Kita nyo naman guys, ako'y nagpa-finalize ng order ng isang customer natin. A total of around 65 to 75 pieces ng dresses and t-shirt. So I am very grateful. Alhamdulillah, another blessing for today. Maraming salamat po sa tiwala. I'll just work this out you guys and then yeah. I hope you guys had fun on today's episode. Let me know what you think. Chikahan nyo naman ako kung anong mga ganap-ganap ninyo dyan. And Tsikahan nyo naman ako. Kasi binabasa ko yung mga comment nyo guys eh. Minsan nagtatagal ako sa toilet, kakabasa lang ng mga comment ninyo. Comment naman kayo. Sa pilitan to. Alright guys, maraming salamat again. And don't ever forget, we love you as much as you love us. Maraming salamat. And if you have not yet like, subscribe, and pasuntok naman ang bell button na yan guys. Please do so. I'll see you guys on the next episode. Much love from the Gigas.